Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about NEC Article 110.11, which is all about deteriorating agents. Now, I know it sounds a little vague and off topic, but don't worry, we'll break it down in simple terms so you can easily understand it. NEC 110.11 is a section of the National Electrical Code that focuses on protecting electrical equipment and wires from things that could cause damage over time, what we call deteriorating agents. These agents include things like moisture, chemicals, extreme temperatures, and other harmful conditions. The main idea here is don't put electrical components in environments that can harm them, unless they are specifically designed to handle those conditions. So if you're putting an electrical equipment in areas like wet places with chemicals, or areas with extreme temperatures, it must be built to handle those things safely. Let's go over the key points of NEC 110.11 in simple terms. First, non-conductors or equipment in harmful environments. This means that wires and electrical equipment should not be installed in places where they could get damaged by things like moisture, like in damp areas, corrosive gases, chemicals, or extreme temperatures, unless the equipment is specifically designed for those conditions. So, for example, you shouldn't use equipment that's meant for indoor use only in an outdoor environment because the weather could damage it. Next, we have identification for use in harsh environments. If you need to use electrical equipment in a tough environment, it must be clearly labeled or identified as being suitable for that environment. For example, if you're putting something outside, it must be labeled as being weather resistant or designed for use in wet conditions. Next, we have protection against weather during construction. When you're building or installing electrical equipment, if it's not specifically made for outdoor use, it must be protected from things like rain, snow, or extreme heat while it is being installed. This ensures that the equipment doesn't get damaged during the installation process. Next up, we have protection from specific agents. Certain substances like cleaning chemicals or lubricants can be harmful to materials that protect electrical wires and equipment. The NEC makes sure you avoid using these harmful agents that could cause the equipment to fail. And finally, we have flood provisions. In areas that are prone to flooding, the NEC also suggests extra precautions. You might need to follow additional codes like NFPA 5000 or International Building Code (IBC) for extra protection against water damage. So why was the NEC 110.11 created in the first place? Well, the main reason is safety. Electrical systems need to be installed in environments where they won't degrade over time because of moisture, chemicals, or extreme temperatures. If the equipment starts to break down because of these agents, it can lead to electric shocks, fire hazards, or system failures. This article ensures that electrical equipment is rated properly for the environment it's going to be in. That way, the equipment can last longer and work safely over time. Let's imagine you're building a new house and you want to install some outdoor lighting. Now, if you use regular indoor rated wiring and equipment for this outdoor lighting, you could run into problems over time because of the weather. Things like rain, snow, and high humidity can really affect electrical components. If the wires of the light fixtures aren't rated for outdoor use, the moisture in the air or rain could cause them to rust, corrode, break down. This can lead to short circuits, fire hazards, or equipment failure. According to NEC 110.11, only equipment that is labeled for outdoor use should be installed in outdoor environments. Outdoor rated equipment is specifically designed to withstand moisture, extreme temperatures, and weather conditions. For example, outdoor rated light fixtures have coatings that protect them from rust and corrosion caused by moisture, and the wires for outdoor use have special coatings that protect them from getting damaged by the rain or snow. Without using the right equipment, these deteriorating agents like water or extreme heat would cause your wires or fixtures to fail much faster than they should. And if you're building in an area that is prone to flooding, the NEC says you should check out extra guidelines from the NFPA 5000 or the IBC to make sure your electrical components are protected from flooding. So to sum it all up, NEC 110.11 is all about protecting electrical equipment from things that could cause it to break down over time, like moisture, chemicals, extreme temperatures, and other harmful agents. It ensures that electrical equipment used in the right environment and is rated to handle the conditions it will face. This helps prevent electrical failures, fires, and other dangers, making sure electrical systems stay safe and reliable over time. So here are the main points to remember from the NEC 110.11. Don't put electrical components in environments where they could be damaged by moisture, chemicals, or extreme temperatures unless they are rated for that environment. Equipment must be clearly labeled if it's meant to be used in harsh conditions. Equipment that is rated for the use outdoors must be protected from the weather during installation. Be mindful of harmful substances that could damage electrical materials. In flood-prone areas, check extra guidelines for flood protection. So thanks for tuning in. Now that you understand NEC 110.11, you can make sure that your electrical equipment is protected from the elements, safe, and will last longer. Stay safe out there, and I will see you next time.